stick to the private sector banking names and another large cap name which is coming back into its own groove, and that's HDFC Bank. So on the short term charts, what we are seeing is that the stock is coming out of a rounding bottom kind of a formation. So for the last 2 months or so, from the month of July, the stock was going through a patch of consolidation. This is the zone of support the stock formed, which is the sub 1600 mark, so closer to 1560, 1580. We saw the stock taking multiple supports, and these supports have been protected. The stock has seen a good demand over here. But interestingly, the stock is confirming a breakout of the previous two resistances. So this was the first major resistance around the 1620, 1670, 1680 mark. This is the second resistance which was tested in the month of August. And right now we have confirmed a breakout of that 1680 levels for HDFC Bank. So this could be a potential candidate of a further uptrend or an up move from current levels. The first level of targets which we look out for HDFC Bank is the closure of these two gaps. So the first gap which was created over here, which is closer to 1770 mark approximately, and the second gap which is approximately on the 1750 mark. So looks attractive from current levels, and expecting the stock to start into a trending manner on the very near term.
Okay, that's HDFC Bank. Naresh, what is it that you've identified?
So that's the chart for L&T itself. Now, L&T has gone through a consolidation phase of roughly 6 to 8 months. Over the last 3-4 months, it has made multiple bottoms around 3550. So a base is set here. On the upside, 3750, 3800 is the resistance. Once it crosses that, it opens up a move to a new all-time high towards 4000 to 4300. So risk reward trade here. A small stop loss at 3650, target price of 4000 to 4300.
Right, let's chat about some stock ideas as well then. Kunal?
So we'll go with to buy. Britannia is the first stock which looks attractive. The stock is confirming a breakout of the previous swing highs of 6100. So buy with a target of 6320. Stop loss could be kept at 6090. And M&M is also the other stock which is making a comeback from that 2750, 2800 levels. So buy with a target of 2920 and stop loss could be kept at 2800.
Right, Naresh, what stocks have you picked out for trade?
So first is a bounce back trade on RBL Bank. Around the 205, 210 has been a strong support area. So a stop loss at 210, target price of 225. Second is a buy on Max Financial Services. The stock is in touching distance of making new 52-week highs, trying to make a breakout move above 1150, 1170. Stop loss at 1130, target price of 1250.